state cruiser. What kind of horseshit escapade is this?
We got us a refusal to stop here, Sheriff. Pulled in getting gas back away. Decided to check out some bitch rig for a busted taillight. The driver tossed a pair of guts in our face and skedaddle.
Son of a bitch! You made me reek. Come back, cruiser. Did you just say pail of guts?
Guts, blood, meat product. We are dripping with offal. We are mighty displeased.
You made me reek like a son of a bitch. Son of a bitch, I will have you. You see that? You see me get him?
You got that sucker square, Al.
Sure, we have compelled the halt.
Well, I noticed that. Come on out if you're coming. Our patience is almost fled.
Come on out already, you son of a bitch.
Grab his arms, get his hands visible.
Yeah.
Shut up, you darn caterwauling.
I told you to shut up, asshole. No one's listening to you.
Appreciate the assistance there, Sheriff.
We should check that trail. Get it back there. Get it. Jesus. Got me some bad air in here. Then some. The stench is wrong enough to make a man gag. Ugh. Shut your damn mouth, asshole. So help me, I'll shut it for you.
Sheriff? Need a hand? Sheriff. Sheriff.
1 second, I'm just.
Sheriff!
What the hell? What the hell is he doing?
Sheriff! Sheriff! Almighty Christ.
Holy shit, Ted! Ah! Oh, fuck.
What the fuck?
Okay, this next right.
The girl who survived lit out at a meat plant during her flight. Can't believe we don't get to talk to her face to face.
She's in a residential psych ward in no fit shape. All we've got is the statements taken at the time.
A fuckload of nothing is what we've got.
I'm not sure how you got assigned to my team, Agent Baines. This is the 20th century. Look me up when you get here. Still, I sure as hell would have liked to heard this straight from her. Okay, looking for the sheriff's office. Says here it's located near to a gas station.
I don't see much of anything, Hooper. Except some shit I don't want to see. So what? Do I make a turn here?
Let me ask. Excuse me, folks. I'm looking for the sheriff's office. Gentlemen, I was asking the whereabouts of the sheriff's office. Assholes.
Backwoods, Hooper. No one's going to lend a hand to law enforcement. That's why the damn case went cold the first time around.
Look, there.
Oh, okay.
So this is the place Sheriff Hoyt ran his business from. Guess those kids didn't stand a hope with the local sheriff as part of the problem. Special Agent Hooper. You the guy I spoke with on the phone? That's right, sir. Officer Krista Travis, County Patrol. You officers really come all the way down from Virginia to open this whole darn thing? From the Houston field office, actually. But yeah. 30+ homicides, officer. A crime so big it made national press. Nearly a year later and there's nothing to show. The FBI has a duty of care we're here to find wasn't this the first time. If that's an example of local law enforcement, no wonder this case is in a morgue. Let's get unloaded. How lost exactly?
Kim, baby, I don't know. I think we missed a turn back there.
It's a straight road, Marcus. How we miss a turn on a straight road? For a cameraman, you're a lousy
No,
driver.
people. Too much negative energy.
Well, next time, sweetie, I'll read the goddamn map.
Shut
up, Carla.
Here. Pull up. Excuse me, ma'am. Kim Barnes, WTX News. We're in the area covering a story. Mama, like the TV? That's right. We're in the area. Would you like a cup of tea? There's no good old cup of tea won't settle.